Hello friends, today we see about Google Chrome in Android. So just you on mobile data in your Android, and then I have already Google Chrome installed. So you are not installing Google Chrome, just go to Play Store, go to Play Store and install. Click Google Chrome. And I have already installed Google Chrome. So now it will appear update. So in your mobile you are already installed, so update and to go to back and go to Google Chrome. By clicking here, just type Google. I have already typed. So in this Google search items, you will click what you want about. In sample, I have clicked about Gmail. So by clicking about Gmail, it show all about Gmail. See here, all about pages about Gmail, and then videos it will show about Gmail, images also it will Gmail, news and maps. So it all will be about the Gmail. About Gmail means Gmail created by date of launch, available, Gmail users, Gmail functions it will be shown in Wikipedia and YouTube video shows about all Gmail. And then you have to click this arrow mark. This arrow mark means it will go to Google Chrome settings, and then you will see new tab. New tab means you will open another page on new tab. So at the same time you have to open any new tabs by clicking 5 or 7 pages you will open. And then recent tabs. Recent tab means this page before what you open, that page will shows. That's a recent tab. And then history. History means last 7 days or 10 days, last month, it will save all in history. Go to history. So these are all the histories. History means today. You have to see today, June 25th, and then here June 24th. So these are all the history. If you don't want it, then click here, click browsing data. So here all of the histories was here. So by clicking here, it will clear all. It will save our MB. So back. So click here and downloads. You have to click downloads. Open downloads. What are all the images, videos, files? All are here. So this is the downloading page. So back, and then click here and here share option. Goes to share option. Click. You have to share any image, video or this page about. You have to Gmail or Facebook, WhatsApp, share it. These are all the share to your friends or neighbor, any other, by clicking share, and this 3 dots you have to click about and go to desktop. By clicking here, you have to go, your mobile goes to system monitor mode. By clicking desktop side, you have to go system monitor mode. And then click here 3 dots and take it. Now mobile goes to Android mode. So these are all the main things. And then click here. This is my mail ID. You have to share your account about Google. You have to share yourself to your account. This is about this. And then in this you have to click. This is other setting or say about. You have to send feedback or your data, any other search activities. These are the settings. In settings you have to make other settings also. So go back and open Google Chrome, and you have to see this languages to change language. Now it is in English, so English is not appear. So it's very useful. And here you have to click. Here your account Play Store, your account YouTube, your account Gmail, Google Drive is all appears. You have to go directly from this page to your account YouTube or Gmail, anywhere. So friends, so like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this one. You have to comment. I will put the videos like this one. Okay friends, thank you.